Johnson Pilao from ALU. Good morning. I'd like to inform. So, thank you, sir. What days would you like to stay with us? I'd like to stay with you. Okay, sir. And how many rooms would you like to book? That's one case. And what type of room are you looking for, sir? We see here Junior Deluxe and it's available here. I think Junior Deluxe for 2 person. Our Junior Deluxe is 5,000 pesos per night, and we also have a CCTV option available. That sounds great. I think the CCTV. Excellent. Can I have your name, please? Can we name it or no? Thank you, Mr. Lobo. I just need your credit card to show you proof. I have your number, please. Sir, what type of payment are you using? Okay, sir. I'm going to repeat your room reservation. And Mr. Aaron John Convoc get our Junior Deluxe and with a CCTV option, and you'd like to stay for 2 nights. And your card number is tomorrow for type of payment is credit card. Am I correct, sir? Yes, that's right. Thank you, Mr. Convoc. Your booking is now confirmed, and your receipt information email before the other details. If you need anything else, don't hesitate to contact us. Okay, thank you.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to our hotel. How may I help you? I'd like to check. Okay, sir. Let me set up on the list. We have here in our beach. Please come in.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to our hotel. How may I assist you?
I'd like to stay, but I didn't book on that.
Let me check for the availability, sir. We have a junior deluxe room for good for 2 persons, sir. Suitable for 2 people.
That sounds good. Can you tell me more about the room's location?
Certainly, sir. The room is located to the fifth floor.
I'll take it from my bed, please.
May I have your name and some information about yourself, sir? Here's the log. Here.
My name is Jan Mangawize, and I'm from Bulacan, 25 years old.
Thank you, sir. Your room reservation is confirmed. Junior Deluxe room under the name of John Makawini.
That is correct.
Our payment terms require the 50 deposit with the balance due from the checkout.
Okay, that's fine.
May I have your card, please, and could you sign here and provide your phone number? Cheers, sir.
Here.
Here's your room pay card, sir, and your room number is 513. We've included a complimentary breakfast for tomorrow morning. Is there anything else, sir?
No, thank you. Could you have my bag set up, please?
Certainly, our butler will guide you to your room, sir. Butler, please guide Mr. John Makawini to his room.
Yes, sir. Okay, please follow me to go to your room. Sure. Good morning, sir. Welcome to our hotel. How may I help you?
Good morning, sir. I have received your email.
Oh, sir, let me take you to the front desk where your luggage. Please come in.
Good morning, Madam Staff. How may I help you?
I have received your email.
Yes, sir. May I know your name? Can you borrow your ID, sir, for verification?
This bag.
check if there's an Junior Deluxe available. Unfortunately, sir, there's all our Junior Deluxe is fully booked. Would you prefer to stay in the suite room or would you prefer to speak to our management?
This is very requested that you do the doctor because and the extra space for work. I can set up for anything. I have a long day and I need a comfortable room to sleep. Make quite a solution for that.
I understand, sir, and sincerely apologize. Let me call our manager. Maybe he can help us to resolve this. Good morning, Mr. Lance. We have a situation here. Mr. Tumok's reservation says you book a suite room, but you wanted Junior Deluxe, but all our Junior Deluxe is fully booked. What we should do?
Okay, I am. Let's see how make me Mr. Lumos stay as comfortable as possible.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Kumbo. I'm Lance, the office of manager. I hear there's some promotion for your reservation. And I want to sincerely apologize for any inconvenience.
Thank you for coming up. Yes, I was really looking for money, but the people not from market. And I really need the space for you. I don't want that for anything else.
I completely understand. Let me tell you, what I'm going to do is prove that we don't have any more Junior Deluxe room available right now. And I personally upgrade you for our premium suite. It's a king size bed and a larger work area for any convenience.
That sounds much better. But is there any additional charge for the upgrade?
Not at all, Mr. Tumbo. This upgrade is on grateful of goodwill for the inconvenience. We make your we want to make your stay is comfortable as possible.
Wow, thank you so much. I really appreciate your help. This is exactly what I needed.
No problem, Lori. Customer service is finding the best possible solution. Mr. Tumbo into the Junior Deluxe room and we made it happen. Now let's ensure we never let this happen again.
Okay, sir, we are in the fifth floor. So, before we arrive, let me explain the facilities of our hotel. So, we have dining restaurant, like Metro Restaurant, but also, Metro Restaurant has serve international and local dishes, and we have alcoholic drinks located in the fourth floor. And we have a casino located in the ground floor. Alcoholic drinks and casino are open 24 hours. And we have a spa and fitness center located in the fifth floor. And we have for us, we have a swimming pool. We have two swimming pools in a rooftop. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me.
Okay, thank you for the information.
It's my pleasure to have you here. Okay, so we are right in front of the door. May I borrow your key to open the door for you? Thank you, sir. Okay, sir, the door is open. Please come.
Good morning. Attention, all the front desk personnel. Let me remind you that we have a meeting on Mr. Grant's office later. Please don't be late. Thank you. Good morning, sir.
Please come.
Good morning, sir.
Please, it's ready, sir.
Would you like to begin?
Thank you, Lori. Alright everyone, thank you for coming in tonight. I just want to quickly go over things are bouncing in the contest. And more importantly, I'd like to hear each about any of you and about any concerns, challenges, or issues you may be facing on your daily. Let's start with the basics. How's going on your end daily? How's everything going on your end? Is there any issues with your check-in procedures?
Well, everything's been pretty smooth, Mr. John. I've had a couple minor issues with guest requests like eating a nice travel or toilet rates. But nothing's major. I've been able to resolve those pretty quickly.
That's good to hear. But what about the system? Have you had any challenges with the software or check-in procedures?
Actually, yes. Sometimes the system is lag when I try to process a login. But it takes longer than usual. It's not a big problem, but it causes a little delay.
Okay. Thank you for your feedback. I'd like to see if we can streamline the process. Thanks for being here. Now, Lance, how about is there anything that we stand up to guest interactions, shifts, or other concerns?
Honestly, the interaction of people, most guests are happy with their room and they have questions. They're polite and is go well. My main issue is with the night shift.
I see. Staffing levels can definitely make a difference. I'm sure we go look into scheduling and see if we can accommodate each other. We're not understaffed. Do you have any, or how did you accordingly manage the workload? Okay, or do you feel any additional support?
I think it's manageable if we have one extra person doing the basic hours, especially when we're handling checklists and phone calls at the same time.
Okay, thank you, Lance. We'll take that into consideration. Charles, you've been handling the late night arrivals. How's that going? Any hiccups or anything with it needs attention?
Actually, I have a few. I want to few buildings are facility, some guests have been charged incorrectly or fees for extra change. We're not explained properly the check-ins. Was only due to how charged are entertained from a system. But I got a couple of complaints.
I see. Billing issues can definitely be a I'm make sure we go look into system and double check how charges are done. Do you have any, or how did you manage or resolve the issues on the spot, or do you have to contact the spot the next day? Yes, sir. Do you want to say something?
Yes. I'd like to say, me and Charles manage most of them right away. But some guests do end up calling the next day for clarification. It is making sure that we explain the charges clearly during check. But the system will immediately give me more insight.
Okay. Thanks for your feedback. So, to recap, we got a few areas to focus on. The system lagging during check-ins, the needed support during the peak hours, and billing discrepancies. I think we can address all of these. Does anyone have any additional feedback or concerns? Anything we've missed?
One more thing, if you have any suggestion or ideas about how we're going to process even further, I'd help to hear them.
Maybe we could be professional on the system videos, especially for the late issues.
That's right. It would be helpful to make sure anyone that's on page, particularly with some of the more advanced function.
And a guidelines or a checklist to ensure organize the all tasks of each member of this.
I agree with both. A system reflection and checklist would definitely help us work more diligently.
Okay. I'll organize a refresher session for everyone. and a checklist for VCRs. Thanks for your input, everyone. I really appreciate your feedback. So that's all for now. Thank you for coming in tonight. And let's make these changes and keep improving. You may all know. Thank you for
Thank you, sir.
I'm interested. What's the membership fee?
So we offer a club membership with the great benefits. Let me explain. So we have a two option and fees.
Okay, it goes.
Welcome. We offer two package, and we have a basic for 5,000 a year access to the facilities and events, and we have also a premium 10,000 a year includes facilities and a bigger discount. What more details, sir?
Yes, please.
With the premium, you get a 1,000 buffet voucher, 10% of merchandise, for drinks on your first visit. Free drinks on your first visit. And access to the exclusive lounge.
Great. Just any update, please.
Yes, members enjoy 10% of vouchers, 15% of merchandise, 20% of food and drinks during events.
Okay. Tell me more.
Absolutely, I'll check the availability for your tour. You're welcome. Sign up today and get an extra 500 buffet voucher. Here, sir, sign up.
Okay, thank you. Here.
Great choice. You'll also join our membership program and correct with industry pros.
Okay, thank you.
And you will be paired with mentor for career guardians and joint executive networking events.
Awesome. Is there any upcoming events?
Yes, workshop, seminar, and partners events are lined up for members.
Okay, I'll take the premium package.
Welcome aboard. I'll assist you with the sign up. Additional benefits of this membership club, sir. We have exclusive lounge and facilities access, priority booking, free entry for select events, member-only discounts.
Okay, that's amazing.
Here's the form, sir, and fill out the all necessary information. Thank you.
Sure. Here's the form. Is there anything else that I can fill out?
Nothing, sir. Thank you. Wait for a minute. I'll put this in our on system. Your information, sir, is completely in follow system. Here's your member's card, and thank you. Here's the member's card, sir.
Great. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Have a nice day, sir.
Hi, I'm interested. What is the membership?
Sir, we offer membership club. We bring benefit. Let me explain option and fees. We offer two packages. We have basic and premium. Basic is 5,000 per year, access to all facilities and events. And premium is 10,000 per year, includes previous and bigger discounts. Want more details, sir?
Yes.
With premium, you can get 1,000 pesos buffet voucher with 10% of merchandise, and also you have free drinks when you visit, and also you have access to the exclusive lounge. Yes, sir, you can get 10% of workshop, 15% of merchandise, and 20% of food and drinks during events.
Wait, can I get a tour?
Absolutely. I will check staff's availability for your tour. You're welcome, sir. Please sign up today to get an extra 500 pesos buffet voucher. You can also join our mentorship program and exclusive networking events.
Sure, and any upcoming events?
Yes, sir. Workshops, seminars, and partners events are lined up for the members.
I'm excited to hear.
Welcome to aboard. I will assist you with your sign up, sir. Here's the form, sir. Please sign up all the necessary information. Thank you.
Here's the board. Is there anything else that I need to
Nothing, sir. Thank you. Let me input this on the system. Your information, sir, is completely input on the system. Here's your membership card. Thank you.